Hey y'all, thanks for checking out another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, it's cold outside, it's snowing, so we're going south of the border. We're going to make salsa chicken. So, sounds good to you? Sit back, relax, hang out, and I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, this is what we got for the ingredients for this recipe. I'm going to use some frozen chicken breasts. You can use fresh. You can use, bone-in, legs and thigh quarters. Any kind of chicken you want. We're just going to pile it down here in the bottom. I like these frozen ones because usually they come with lots of little pieces and stuff, and we're going to shred this later. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, got that all in there. And then we're going to take a jar of, I like the mild, chunky salsa. Well, first we're going to put some chili powder in here because that's just what I want to do. I like the taste of the chili powder. Alright, got the chili powder in there. Now, we're going to take the jar of salsa, dump that in there, get all that goodness out. Oh, still got a little more in there. Good enough. We're going to take a second jar of salsa. Same thing, the mild. If you like it spicy, get the hot. Alright. For cooking, that's basically all you need. Put the lid on it. We're going to set it on low. We're going to cook her about 8 hours, 9 hours. And then we'll come back and we'll shred that. And we'll do the next step. So y'all hang out. And we'll bring you back when this stuff's cooked. Alright y'all. Let's check this chicken there. See how she's coming along. She's getting bubbly. Oh yeah. She's coming along. I mean, it's not ready to pull yet, but it's getting there. It's getting close. I mean, I just broke that piece off, but that's a small piece, so. Oh yeah, it's smelling delicious too. So, alright, we're going to let this cook. We'll bring you all back whenever it gets a little more dunner. It's getting dunner. Alright, hang on. Alright y'all, let's check on this here chicken. See how she's doing. Still bubbling away there nicely. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's ready to pull. So, alright. I got a bowl over here. I'm going to slide this back just a little bit. Bring my bowl over here. We're going to get this chicken out of here so we can shred it. Looks like we can almost shred it in the bowl or in the crock pot there, but I want to pull this out. And y'all, this smells so delicious. Heck yeah. I'm telling you. One of these days, if they make smell-o-vision, you all are done for. Or maybe I'll be done for. Y'all be beating my door down trying to get to this stuff. Alright, I think I got it all out of there. Might be one little piece or something left down in there. It ain't no big deal. Now, I'm going to actually turn this down to off. Turn it off. And I got about a cup and a half of uncooked instant rice. We're going to dump in there. And I'm going to mix her up. Get that rice all down in there. And while we're shredding that chicken, we're going to let that rice cook. That rice is going to soak up some of that liquid there and thicken this up nicely. Now I had a cup and a half here because that's all I had. I thought I had a little bit more than that, but oh, that tastes delicious. You guys see me wipe that off here. Anyways, I'm going to shred this chicken. We're going to let that rice cook up. We're going to add the chicken back to it, and we'll bring you right back. Alright, y'all. It's been about 10 minutes probably. And that rice is nice and cooked. Kind of wish I would have had a little bit more rice to put in there. Thicken it up just a little bit more, but hey, this'll do. This'll do. So we got our chicken over here. We're going to add our chicken back to it. Get it stirred back in. Get all that goodness out of that bowl. Don't leave a single man behind. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think I need a better spoon. Let's see if I got a better spoon laying over here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Well, we got a better spoon now. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. If you guys could smell this, this is most awesome. So, alright. Get them sides scraped down in there. Get that kind of packed down in there. We're going to let that mingle for 15-20 minutes or so. And then we'll show you how we're going to eat it. So, hang on and we'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. Got a little bit here. That chicken mixture's been setting. Notice back here we got our flat top griddle. We're going to grill these because I'm going to roll them up in like a burrito or tortilla or tortilla, whatever shell. So y'all don't laugh at my rolling skills because they are not masterful rolling skills whatsoever. Alright, got some of that. Now, I like a little queso blend dip in mine, just to give it that little cheesy flavor. So we got that. I'm going to tuck that. I'm going to tuck that. Make sure we got it all kind of lined up. Yeah, it looks like a drunken dude did mine. So, anyways, doesn't even look like a burrito, but it's going to be good enough. Spray the flat top with a little cooking spray. I'll lay that one on there. And we're going to do a couple of these. A couple, 3 or 4 probably. Put a little bit more of that in there. A little more of this queso. Alright, y'all get the idea here, what we're going to be doing, or what I'm doing. Get that sucker all tucked in there. So, alright, I'm going to make a couple more of these, and we'll bring y'all back when they're finished. Alright, y'all. They're starting to smoke a little bit. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that one got a little bit too done, but can it really be too done? Asking for a friend. Alright. Look at them things. They are turning out beautiful. Got a little leak on that one, but it'll be alright because I'm eating it. So, like I said, I am not a master burrito roller or anything. So, I'm just a guy that likes to make food. So, alright. Let me finish cooking these up and we'll bring y'all back. Alright, y'all. Give y'all a look and see what that looks like there. Don't them look delicious? Let's do a taste test now. Alright, y'all. Time for the moment of truth. We gonna like it or not? I know I am because I've had it before, but let's take a little bite of this stuff here. Finger looking good. The chicken salsa, awesome. The rice in there, kind of a binder, gives another little flavor there to it. The queso sauce that I put in there, just store-bought, not homemade. Awesome. You all can put any kind of cheese or anything you want in there. You can add anything else you want to. If you want to add beef to it, add beef, pork, whatever. By all means, do it. Doctor it up. So, but today, to wash it down, we got the dragon fruit again. This is good stuff. Sugar-free. That's what I like about it. Really, really good. So, sorry. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Hope you like this recipe. Hope you're going to try this recipe. It's easy, great for the family. If you don't want to eat it in a wrap like that, like I did, it's really good on chips. You can cover nachos with it. You can do all kinds of stuff. Eat it out of a bowl, add it to a salad. It's really, really good all them different ways. So, really do appreciate you all watching. Leave me that thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment down there if you feel like it. Really do appreciate it. It does help the channel out. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Get all kinds of cooking recipes here, stuff we do out in the shop, stuff we do at the tractor pulls, all that kind of stuff. Really appreciate it. Sunday live streams, don't forget about them. They start at 7 p.m. every Sunday night. Go for about an hour. All kinds of great discussions. Really appreciate you all stopping in there and chatting with me there. And down in the description here, if you want to help out the channel, we do have an Amazon link there for some stuff for the shop and that, and a couple things maybe here for the kitchen. PayPal's in there, and thank you all for watching, and as always, bon appetit.